objective of this lesson. So, what is gateway drugs?
Pamaagi, pumasa, magsugod ang paggamit sa cigarettes.
Yes. Gateway drugs such as cigarettes and alcohol are illegal drugs that non-drugs user might try, which can lead him or her to more dangerous drugs such as marijuana and shabu. Muna siya ang sinundanan sa substance na like una ni mo take. Like for example, take ka o alcohol. Dahil where na satisfy na ka at mga substance, mo na gusto na mo take kung lain na substance like cigarette or marijuana. So do you know that we have different types of smoke? No. Okay. So do you know guys that we have different types of smoke?
No, ma'am.
So first we have mainstream smoke. Please read everyone.
Mainstream smoke refers specifically to the smoke that the smoker directly inhales.
So mainstream smoke refers specifically to smoker and non-smoker. So parehas mga itagod kanina, diba? Nagpapasya, siya mo nag-directly inhale sa sigarilyo. Sa mga siya ang tawag sa mainstream smoke. Next we have side stream smoke or the second hand smoke. Please read.
Side stream smoke, the smoke that comes out of the end of a cigarette or pipe. This is also called second-hand smoke.
So, like, parehas sa inyo nakita sa picture nga siya ang nangyayari kanina siya ay kulay ko na bali. So, ang asuato, may ma-inhale sa babae, siya patawag na side stream smoke or the second hand smoke. So, next we have the third hand smoke. So, third hand smoke left for a long time on sofa, beddings, pillow, and other objects. This smoke, also called residual tobacco smoke, or settle along and with dust and can last for a long months. So, kaning third hand smoke is mauni siya ang mas grabe kay mauni siya ang wala kasala or mauni siya ang di na ito kainit and mauni siya ang mas directly sa ato ang body. Mas mao ang makadaot sa ato. So, do you want an